Hello guys, it's Teacher Matthew here from Mark for Future, and as you can see, we have just bought an insane amount of top of the class, top of the range equipment for our students here at Mark for Future. We have hydraulic and water powered robotic systems that we cannot wait for our students to get their teeth sunk into. These are amazing as it will teach the students much about the world of robotics, engineering and science and mathematics. As you can see here, we have the new and latest robots which can be powered from a remote control or from a squeeze of a hand and water pressure. So these ones are very cool, different ideas, different architecture within them. Very, very cool. We have balls that move around, we have cranes, grabbers, all sorts of functions that we can use. This will really help our students learn about not only how to build the robots, but what they're used for as well, which is also important. And here we come on to the more of the movement robots that we can have remote controlled. Very, very cool. We hope to see you here soon.